Bonjour, bonjour. Comment allez-vous aujourd'hui? Vous allez bien? Oui? How are you today? Moi, je vais bien. We're starting the second part of chapter 2 today. As you can see, we are going to be describing hair and eyes aujourd'hui, today. We're also going to learn the verb avoir. I said there were 4 major verbs that you need to know backward and forward. The first one was, you already learned it, être. Today we're learning avoir, which means to have. Alors, pour les descriptions physiques, okay, we're going to talk about hair first, and hair is les cheveux. Les is plural, so we talk about hair as plural in French. Il a, he has, or elle a, she has. So repeat after me. Elle a les cheveux bruns. Elle a les cheveux bruns. She has brown hair. Okay, we put an S on the end of the adjective because, as we said, hair is plural in French. Brun, it should remind you of the English word brunette. Il, masculin, il a les cheveux noirs. You're repeating after me, right? Il a les cheveux noirs. This is elle. Elle a les cheveux roux. Roux, that's a wet R. I really want to hear that. You're coughing up a hairball. Elle a les cheveux roux. She's a redhead. Elle a les cheveux blonds. We don't pronounce the D or S. Les cheveux blonds. Now for eyes. Eyes are always plural, usually, well, unless you're a cyclops. Les yeux. Repeat after me. Elle a les yeux bleus. Elle a les yeux bleus. Il a les yeux noirs. Black eyes, or you could say dark eyes. Il a les yeux verts. Green eyes. Elle a les yeux marrons. Marron, brown eyes. And you notice that there's no S at the end of marron because this is an exceptional adjective. It does not change from masculine to feminine or from singular to plural. It's always marron, 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 brown eyes. Marron is brown, but notice that for hair color, we say brun, brunette. So you would never say she has brunette eyes. You would always use brun for hair color and marron for eye color. And if you have hazel eyes, you have les yeux noisettes. There we go. And here's the complete verb, avoir. This is on page 42 of your textbook. Repeat after me. J'ai. J'ai. And notice that it's a J apostrophe because the je is contracted in front of a vowel, just like the ne. We talked about that last time. Tu as. Il a. Elle a. On a. So for the il, elle, on, it's just one letter, the letter A. Nous avons. We have. And notice we're pronouncing the S on the nous because of the verb starts with a vowel. So we're making that liaison. Répétez. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Ils ont. Elles ont. Elles ont. So we're pronouncing this S in front of the vowel, but notice that it makes a Z sound, right? Nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Don't confuse this with the être, which the il plural is ils sont with an S. So you want to make sure that you pronounce it when you're saying they are, you're saying ils sont with an S. When you're saying they have, you say ils ont. Make the Z sound. Okay? If I asked you, tu as les cheveux longs, mi-longs ou courts? You know what I'm asking you? Do you have hair that is long, mi-long, mid-length, or short? So for hair, we want to say short hair, we say court. When we want to say a person is short, what adjective do we use? We learned that last time. Yes, petit or petite. Tu as les cheveux longs, mi-longs ou courts? How would you say I have? J'ai les cheveux mi-longs. Et toi? Nous avons une classe sympa. Une classe sympa. Remember sympa, nice, a nice class, sympathique? Oui, nous avons une classe très sympa. And one more adjective in your chapter about hair. Tu as les cheveux bouclés, bouclés, curly. Frisés, frisé means very curly, tight curls. Ou lisse, lisse, straight. So now we can describe physical appearance. Kim Kardashian. Let's talk about her eyes first. Elle a les cheveux, pardon, elle a les yeux marron. Yes, marron. Now let's talk about her hair color. How would you say she has brown hair? She's a brunette. Elle a les cheveux bruns et longs et lisses. So we said she has brown and long and straight hair. Oh, Miley Cyrus. Eyes, let's call these blue eyes. How would we say she has blue eyes? Elle a les yeux bleus. And she has blonde hair, short blonde hair, right? Elle a les cheveux blonds et courts. Les cheveux blonds et courts. Brad Pitt, in this photo anyway. His eyes, let's say blue. Il a les yeux bleus. How would you say he has brown, mid-length, straight hair? Il a les cheveux bruns, mi-longs et lisses. Good. Oh, here's Weird Al. Il a, or actually, let's talk about both of them. Plural, ils ont. Ils ont, would we say they have, let's call it brown, mid-length, frizzy hair, really curly. Ils ont les cheveux bruns, mi-longs et frisés. Very good. Et toi? How would you describe yourself? J'ai les yeux, moi, j'ai les yeux bleus. Et toi? How about your hair? J'ai les cheveux bruns, mi-longs et lisses. Okay, page 40, you also learn colors. So let's go over colors quickly. Une pomme, this is an apple. Une pomme, apple is feminine in French, so we would say elle. It is red. Elle est rouge. Répétez, elle est rouge. That's a wet R. Le brocoli, il est vert. It is green. Oh, how about a green apple? Apple is feminine. How do you think you would say green feminine? Elle est verte. Yes, you add an E. You pronounce that T. Elle est verte. Une banane, elle est jaune. Jaune, yellow. Un chat, a cat. Il est noir. He is black. Un autre chat, c'est un tigre, oui. Il est orange et noir. Un drapeau, c'est un drapeau. Il est rouge, blanc et bleu. Oui. Un autre drapeau, il est bleu, blanc et rouge. This is the French flag. They sometimes call it the tricolor, le tricolore. Bleu, blanc et rouge. Une Cadillac, elle est rose. Pink Cadillac, rose. Un livre, il est gris. Did you read this book? Did you see the films? I missed them. Were they good? I don't know. Un lapin, a rabbit, il est violet. Le chocolat, il est marron. Il est marron, brown. Okay, now here are the two verbs that you know so far. Être and avoir. So now you can talk about somebody's physical and their personality traits. So, par exemple, décrivez les personnes. So look again on page 34 at the adjectives. So if you had to describe Einstein, describe his hair. Il a les cheveux gris. Okay. Il est, sa personnalité, how would you describe it? Il est intelligent. Oui. This woman, I'm not sure who it is, but how would you describe her hair? Brown and long and straight. Elle a les cheveux bruns, longs et lisses. And how would you describe her personality? You could say she is active or she is athletic. Elle est sportive or active. How do you say she is strong? Elle est forte. Oui, oh, not so athletic. So he has short brown hair, right? Il a les cheveux courts et bruns. What's that word for lazy? Il est paresseux. Il est paresseux, peut-être. Possibly, yeah. Il est, how do you say he is tall? Il est grand. Et how do you say he is sporty? Il est sportif. Describe his hair. Il a les cheveux noirs et courts. Black, short hair. Oh, la princesse. Wait. Let's describe her hair. Brown and long and straight. Elle a les cheveux bruns et longs et lisses. And her personality? I don't know, je ne sais pas. Elle est sympathique. Elle est élégante. Elle est active. And this is her brother-in-law. Il est, oh, let's describe his hair. How do you say redhead again? Il a les cheveux roux et courts. And blue eyes. Il a les yeux bleus. And how would you describe his personality? Il est sportif. Il est courageux. Il est provocateur. Un peu. Madonna. How would you describe her hair? Elle a les cheveux blonds et mi-longs et lisses. And her personality, elle est provocatrice, peut-être, intelligente. Et voilà, the homework. Discussion entries as usual. Get started on your assignments. Don't forget to watch the rest of the PowerPoints. And we have flashcards on être and avoir, two essential verbs that you must know backwards and forwards. You should be able to say these in your sleep. So repetition, répétez, répétez, répétez. use the flashcards for that, okay? Bonne journée. Au revoir.